So before we start installing Selenium to our project, why is it required to install Selenium? So Selenium is an open source automated testing tool which is used to communicate in between the test to the browser. So Java itself cannot directly communicate to the browser. Through Selenium we can perform our test to communicate to the browser. So Selenium supports only the web-based application. Desktop and mobile applications cannot be directly supported through Selenium. So Selenium comes with Selenium WebDriver, which is an interface. Under this interface, there are several classes like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari. All these browsers comes under different classes. Through these classes, we can have the communication from our test to these browsers. Now let's see how to install Selenium to our project. So first of all, let's open Eclipse. We'll choose the existing workspace. Now in Eclipse, we can see project 1, Maven with arc, without arc. So all the projects which we have discussed so far are showing up. Now under this Maven with arc, now let's delete the unnecessary projects. So under this Maven with arc, we will start installing Selenium. So we'll install Selenium under this Maven with arc. So as we know, in the Maven with arc, we have the POM file. So through this POM file, first of all, let's try to add the dependency for Selenium and see whether we are able to add all the libraries which are coming from Selenium. To download Selenium dependency, we'll open the browser. In browser, we'll search for Selenium dependency from Maven. The first link from Maven repository, let's choose this one. Under Maven repository, we can see there are several versions of Selenium showing up. So the latest version is 4.25 what is showing. Let's check this under Selenium org site as well. So to check Selenium tab, we'll open another tab and there we'll search for Selenium. Under the Selenium, we can see a tab as downloads at the top. Under this downloads, we can see the Java 4.25.0. So this is the latest version. Let's download the dependency. So once we'll click on this, we can see a dependency having group ID, artifact and version, which is having 4.25. Let's copy this. Under the dependency section, we'll paste the version. Now to format this dependency, we'll press Ctrl Shift F to format. After formatting, we'll save this one by Ctrl S. Now let's click on Ctrl S. We can see the download has been started for all the dependencies. Let's check the Maven dependency to see all the libraries from Selenium is showing up or not. Under Maven dependency, now we can see all the Selenium libraries like Selenium Chrome driver, Selenium DevTools, Selenium Edge driver, Firefox driver, and even some SDKs as well. So this is how we can add Selenium through POM file. Now let's try another approach. Again, we'll go back to the browser. We'll search for Selenium dependency. Here we can see the first link from Selenium. As we have seen the latest version of 4.25, we'll choose this one. We'll select this one. We can see the download has been started. Now to add those jar files to our project, we'll right click on the project. We'll go to the build path. Under build path, we'll click on configure build path. After clicking on configure build path, click on add external jars. From here, we'll go to the file which we have extracted. Under this, let's select all the library by pressing Ctrl A and let's open this. We can see all the libraries has been imported. Now let's click on apply and close. Now let's refresh our project. Under our project, we can see another library which is as referenced library. If we'll open this, here we can see all the Selenium libraries are showing up. Now we got to understand how to configure Selenium through POM or through jar files. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.